Womp womp, sorry guys. Disney Channel Classics has been canceled for good and replaced by new 2026 Disney Channel schedule stuff. It's just the original schedule, like live action stuff. Anyways, enough of the talking. And also, one more thing. I was a little bit worried and sad about it. Alright, now enough of the talking.